Hey guys, Mike Diesel here. I just wanted to shoot a quick video and show you all something that one of my homeboys, Matt, makes. And these things are freaking dope. He hooked me up with them. I told him, yo dude, once I go to mount these things, I'll make a video. I just want to show you guys what they are. So they're just mounting plates. They come with the hardware. Stainless steel, dude, these things ain't gonna rust. And I don't know why I would want to cover that up, because it looks dope. Let's see, there we go. These, I mean, these things are thick with 2 C's. So I gotta like cover my face up so it'll focus on them. But they're dope. Absolutely sick. Like, these things are never gonna come off. So they mount in your channels, in your bed channels. So I gotta undo the up top hardware real quick and slide in Matt's pieces, and then put on my axe mount, and then I'm gonna be good to go. It's really awesome because it's completely modular. So I can mount. I'm gonna put I haven't bought a shovel yet because I'm trying to find one that I like, but once I find a shovel, I'll buy another set of these sweet little mounts, these little rubber mounts, like $10 for a pair. I mean, it's 5x5. I mean, it's like, there's so much versatility in that. And it's heavy, you know, throwing stuff in the bed of the truck. My spare tire, full size 35, is back here right now. So that bouncing around, camping gear and stuff, I don't want some weak crap and I have to worry about breaking. So let me get these bolts undone real quick, and then I will show you guys what it looks like once I put the axe on it. And even the hardware's like super good to go in these channels, in these bed channels. It's legit. It's not even like, that's impressive, man. Good on you, Matt. Matt's a incredible welder. Hopefully, now that this is going to be on the old YouTube, I can get him to make my swing out to attach to this Outgear Solutions rear bumper that I have. Dude, they fit perfectly. They fit I gotta show you guys this. This is nuts. That's dope. That's so cool. They fit right in there. They're perfectly sized for that. I don't know if he's cutting these himself, or if he's outsourcing these, but this is, I mean, this is freaking awesome. Being able, I like when things install easily. That is generally not what happens for me. On to the next. Crank these down once I get everything where I want it. Oops. You know how I was saying, super easy to install, but it always seems to be when I install things, it's a pain. Well, that's because I'm an idiot. And I forgot I had tent hardware that needed to go in this channel first before I put Matt's modular mount in. So, quick fix, very easy to do. And that was it. Now I'm done. Alright, let me tighten up these bolts, get these things situated, throw the axe in there, and I'll let you guys see it.